Hi, welcome back. And there's been a lot going on the last couple of days. I thought I was going to get more done on the Corvette and the bug this week because I had the week off, and I didn't. I actually ended up getting my lift, and now the lift is a little bit in the way, so I've been moving that around, trying to get that in a spot where I can work around it and then install it once I've got some of the other stuff out of the way. Anyways, it's time to get this engine back in the Corvette. I haven't totally assembled it. I think it'll be easier to put it back together inside the car and get the engine in with it disassembled like this. There was a lot of clearance issues with the front pulley when I had the heads on and tried to pull it out that way. I think this will clear it really well. Now, I heard once that Twinkies would last forever if you were to put them away for like an apocalypse or something, but these are from July 2020, and they're kind of stale. So I'm gonna beg to differ on that and say either they've changed the recipe or it's just not true. Alright, so the clutch I got was about an inch too big. I'm not sure why, because I ordered it specifically for this car. So I don't know if I can return it. It's been over 6 months, because I've been doing other things. Anyways, I'm going to put the old one back on. It's not all the way wore out, so it won't be that big of a deal if I need to pull it out later. So I'm going to torque these down to 35 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. I really feel like I got a lot of stuff done today. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please let me know what you want to see, and see you next time.